In a universe of robot mops and Alexa-worked gadgets, it's not difficult to feel that your home ought to clean itself. While that would be great, we don't live in that reality right now. To give your kitchen or washroom the profound cleaning that it needs, you must place in a bit of real effort. In the event that you utilize a conventional string mop or a Swiffer for profound cleaning, now is the right time to move up to a twist mop. Spin mops contain round or three-sided microfiber mop heads that rapidly retain spills and wrecks instead of simply pushing the fluid around like a customary mop does. They likewise accompany a pail intended to hold foamy water and a round container that sits inside the can. This spin turns, and the diffusive power wrings out the mop head. We endured a month testing the most famous twist mops available to decide the most ideal ones that anyone could hope to find. These twist mops succeeded in containing and tidying up enormous spills and tacky wrecks, and we found that some likewise accompanied shrewd elements that made this errand a piece more straightforward. Hello my friends. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I recommend best spin mops. Before you start, subscribe to the channel and press the like button to be up to date with all the news. Let's begin. Number 5 in our top is from the ZNM brand. The spin mop system with Wringer Set can twist the dirty water out of the mop just by pushing the mop to drying basket. In addition, a splash-proof device is also designed to avoid water splashing during cleaning. The mop bucket set is removable and combined. The barrel can be overlapped in two to save space. 4 PCS machine washable microfiber mop pads deep clean floors. Just use clean water to remove hair, dust. The spin mop system is suitable for cleaning a variety of smooth surfaces. Our microfiber spin mop head can be rotated 360 degrees, and the length of the handle can be adjusted from 37.4 inch to 47.24 for easy to clean hard to reach places. Open the drain hole at the bottom of the bucket to pour out dirty water. Household cleaning can be easily done with ZNM Spin Mop and Bucket cleaning system, which is suitable for cleaning tile, hardwood, laminated wood to clean and polish. We continue with the number 4 that is part of the Gadhra brand. This mop and bucket with Wringer Set include 5 microfiber mop heads and 1 PCS brush head. The scientific self-twisting and rotating system design prevents sewage from splashing, which helps you release your hands and avoid touching the dirt with your hands. It is a good choice for cleaning hardwood, laminate, tiles. The mop pole is made of durable 304 stainless steel. And the bucket is made of high-quality PP, lightweight but strong. No worry about this product service life. Unlike other mop bucket wringer system, the pedal-initiated wringing system is more labor-saving and efficient than other handheld poles to press down, and more number of wringer spins, for more efficient wringing and cleaning. Come with 5 spin mop microfiber replacement refills. They're super absorbent and can be reusable washed in machine. The brush bristle is made of PP material, which is hard but will not hurt the surface of the tiles and wooden floors. When you face stubborn stains hard to clean, you can install this floor brush on the mop head. Number 3 in our top is from the Tsmine brand. Tsmine Spin Mop Bucket has stronger spin wringing performance than those work with pedal, so the mop head wrings drier, save efforts and is more durable. You don't have to worry pedal fracture. Unlike others, basket, wringer, pallet and handle of our spin mop bucket are made of durable 304 stainless steel and pages. Upgraded handle allows the mop head to wing drier and make less noise. The telescoping handle adjusts up to 61 inch, so you don't have to bend down and suffer from back pain. This luxury spin mop system has 2 wheels, 1 pull handle, 1 carry handle, bringing extra comfort to the disabled and people who cannot manage heavy weight. Also have 1 drainage plug for draining water and 1 detergent dispenser for dirtier floor. Come with 6 microfiber spin mop refills head, so you don't have to buy extra ones in 1 to 2 years. It has super thin microfiber with great absorbent ability, perfect for laminate, hardwood, tile, glass. Household cleaning can be easily done with Tsmine Spin Mop and Bucket cleaning system. It'll bring you a different experience and make cleaning easier. Come and buy it soon. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and like this video. Number 2 in our top is from the ZNM brand. The Spin Mop and Bucket set has a pedal wringing system. Put the mop into the stainless steel basket and lightly step on the pedal device to dehydrate. Spin Mop system with stainless steel telescopic mop handle, which can easily reach the hard-to-reach corners, and you can adjust the height to your needs through the locking device on the mop handle. This microfiber spin mop head can be rotated 360 degrees. In corners, under the bed, under the sofa, and other hard-to-reach places, Spin Mop sets can easily solve these cleaning problems. This Spin Mop and Bucket system is designed with special drainage holes, unnecessary manually pouring water. In addition, there is also a design of a splash-proof device to avoid water from splashing during the cleaning process. The Spin Mop set by foot pedal with 5 reusable microfiber mop pads, which can effectively absorb dust and hair. We will send 5 extra cleaning cloths, meet your various cleaning needs. The number 1 product is part of the O-Cedar brand. O-Cedar's EasyWring RinseClean Microfiber Spin Mop and Bucket Floor Cleaning System highlights our patented dual-chamber bucket technology, which features separated clean and dirty water tanks, making it easy to continuously mop with clean water. It is safe on all hard floor surfaces, including finished hardwood, wood, laminate, tile, vinyl, and more. This microfiber mops provide deep cleaning solution for all your home and floor cleaning needs by effectively removing dirt, grime, and 99% of bacteria with just water. Our built-in pedal allows for an uninterrupted clean with hands-free wringing, and lets you control the moisture level on your floors. The foot-activated spinning wringer allows for hands-free wringing and controlled water release. No more bending over or wet hands. The EasyWring RinseClean microfiber mop head can be machine washed and reused, saving you cleaning time and money. Keep an extra refill handy for the next mess. Triangular mop head allows for better cornered cleaning in addition to its 360-degree rotation, which helps for mopping underneath furniture. Which spin mop would you like to buy? Leave us a comment below. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. See you next time. Goodbye.